channel. Today we are going to see the 8-digit multiplication with the 9's table, and this is a magical trick, and this tricks we are going to show you at every Sunday after one week at every Sunday. This trick is very magical trick. It is coming in every competitive exams and it is very magic. So see this magical trick. Firstly we will write this 8 digit into this is a 8-digit multiplication. Okay, 1 2 then 3 then 4 then 5 then 6 then 7. We have to not write here 8. Okay friends, we will write here 9. Then we will put a multiplication sign here, that multiplication sign. Then we will put here 9. Then we will do its multiplication with all the digits of this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. It is a 9-digit multiplication. We can do in the seconds, but you were thinking we will put here multiplication sign, then we will put one line, straight line, and then we will do the multiplication. 9 with the 9 is 81, then we put carry, and this is a time wasted trick, so we will not do this type of trick. Okay, then we will do in the second trick. Okay, we will put this multiplication sign here and put a 9 here. Now what is answer is coming? We will put 9. The answer is coming. The answer is coming 1 1 1. Then 1 1 1. Then again 1 1 1. This is the answer of this trick. Okay. This is the answer of this trick. 1 1 1 1 1. This 9 times 1 is coming of this trick, and now we will rub it. You see this magic trick? Now we will do 9 to the 18. Now we will do this multiplication with this 18. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 into 18. Okay, we will put 9. 9 2s are 18. 2s are 18 is equals to 18. Now we are doing this 18 magic trick. Now we will do 18 magic trick. So what will come over answer? We will put one straight line. Then 18 9s, we will all do this multiplication. What will answer come? 2 2 2 then 2 2 2 then 2 2 2. This 9 times 2 is coming. This answer is 2 2 2 2 2, and this is coming at 9 times. So this is the multiplication of this 18. Now we will write one more time. Now we will do it with this 9 into 3. What is coming? 27. Now we will do the multiplication with this 27. Okay. Now 27 9s are, what is coming? 27 9s are. The answer is coming 3 3 3 3. This 3. Now one more time. 3 times 3. We have written 9 times 3. This is the answer of this trick. 3 times 9. Okay. This is the answer of this trick. Now we will rub it. We will do the multiplication of 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is coming 36. Now we will do multiplication 36 into 9. What is coming? We have written the 3 3 3. Now we will write 4 4 4 4 4 4 and then 4 and then again 4. This is the coming the answer of this 4 4 4 4 4. This is 9 times the 4 is coming of this answer. This is the answer of multiplication multiplying by this 36 digit 36 this 9 table 9 for the 36. Now we will write 9 5s are 45. What is coming? 9 5s are 45. You have to run the table also the 9. If you will do wrong this, the answer will also come wrong. Okay, so you have to run the table also. 45 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. What is the common answer? The answer is coming our 5 5 5 5 5 5. Then again 3 times 5. This is the answer coming of this multiplication of this 45. This 9 times 5 is coming 3 3 6 10 3 9. This is the coming answer of this 45 multiplying with this 9 5 is 45. Okay, this is the answer. Now we will do 9 5s are 9 6 are 54. Okay. Now we will do this multiplication with this 44. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. So the answer is coming 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. Okay. 3 times 3 6 3 6 and this is the answer coming 9 times 6 over 54. Now we will rub it. Now we will again do the multiplication. 9 6 we have to come up to 9. Now we will do 9 7 are 63. 9 7 are 63. Okay. 63 into this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. So what we will do? 63 divided by this multiplied by this. What is coming our answer? 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 and again 7. This is the answer coming of this multiplication. 63 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 7, 7, 7. It is of 9 times, 9 times, so we have written 7. This is the answer of this. I'm again telling that you have to learn the table of the 9. It is very important. 9 7 63. Now we will do 9 8 72. 72 is here. Now we will do this 72 multiplication by this all 8 digit multiply this 72 by this all 8 digit number. What will come up, right? It will come 8 8 8. This 3 times 8 we have written. Now we will write one more time 8 8 8. Then again 8 8 8. This 9 times 8 is. This is the answer of this 72 multiplied by this 8 digit number. What we can 8 8 is the answer of this tray. Now we write this. Now we have done up to 8. 9 9s are 81. Now we will do up to 81. 9 9s are 81. Now we will put the multiplication sign. Now we will do this 81 into 9. So what will come our answer? 9 9 9 9 9. It will come up to 9 times this 9. 3 times 9 here, then 3 times 9 here, then 3 times 9 here. This is the answer of this trick. So please, friends, do like and share to our video, and please subscribe up to your many friends so that they can also know these tricks for their competitive exams. And this is very most magical trick. And up 3 times many times I have told this up to many types of magical tricks. So you can subscribe our channel and do likes to motivate us, and do share to know about us, and also comment so we can make new videos on this topic of magic tricks. Okay friends, now I will rub this. Okay friends, so please like our channel and subscribe. So bye friends, we will come up to next trick at this Sunday. Okay.